Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have something that's perfect for gamers and anyone looking for a sleek, wireless setup. It's the compact wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo by ZIYOU Lang. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Alright, let's get into it. This combo includes a compact 87-key keyboard, a stylish cracked pattern mouse, and an exquisite mouse pad. But what sets it apart? Well, it's not just your ordinary keyboard and mouse. It's packed with features that gamers will love. First, let's talk about convenience. Both the keyboard and mouse come with large capacity built-in batteries. The keyboard boasts a 3000 mAh battery, while the mouse features an 800 mAh battery. No more dealing with the hassle of frequent battery replacements. Charging is a breeze. Simply plug in the USB cable into your computer's USB port, and you're good to go. Now, onto the wireless technology. This combo uses advanced 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, and the best part? They share one USB receiver. It's as simple as plug and play. Just insert the USB receiver into your computer's USB-A or Type-C port, and you're ready to roll. It's compatible with Windows XP, Win the 8th of July 10, and even macOS 2.0. Oh, and remember to turn on the keyboard and mouse before using them. But wait, there's more. Feast your eyes on the gorgeous rainbow backlight of the wireless gaming keyboard. It offers a cool mixed color effect with 3 levels of brightness. It's not only visually appealing but also enhances the competitive atmosphere when gaming. And you can easily toggle the backlight on or off by pressing FN plus scroll lock to fit your needs. Plus, it conserves energy by automatically turning off after 2 minutes of inactivity. Now, let's talk about the mouse. It's designed with a cool cracked pattern and features a 7-color auto-changing breathing backlight. With 6 buttons and 3 adjustable DPI settings, you get flexibility and precision in your gaming. It's comfortable to use for long gaming sessions thanks to its high-quality ABS material and ergonomic design. And you can easily turn the backlight on or off with the dedicated light switch. This combo offers so much more: an ergonomic 87-key layout, space-saving design, removable keycaps, FN key combinations, and anti-ghosting function. It's versatile and perfect for both gaming and everyday use. And don't forget, it's compatible with Windows XP, Win the 8th of July 10, and macOS 2.0. The package includes the wireless keyboard, the stylish wireless mouse, a convenient mouse pad, a charging USB cable, and a user manual for easy setup. Plus, with its unique dual USB receiver, this combo ensures a seamless connection to your computer. And there you have it, folks. The ZIYOU Lang Compact Wireless Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo. If you're looking to level up your gaming setup or simply want a sleek and efficient keyboard and mouse, this combo is a fantastic choice. Check out the link in the description for more details and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews right here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep on gaming.